how to use Wolt customer loyalty programs. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Wolt customer loyalty program, and if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here, and once it's launched on your mobile phone, the first thing you're going to see is discover Wolt. So you're going to discover Wolt on the picture of the map that is on your screen. You see that there's a picture of the map showing you where Wolt is located in several countries or cities. So you can just explore and look closely to see the one that is the nearest to you, so that you place your order. So at the lower part of your screen, you see 5 icons. You see the discovery icon, you see the restaurant icon, you see the store icon, you see the search icon, and the profile icon. Now, to use Wolt customer loyalty program, what you need to do is to check the lower part of your screen again, where you see the icons. So you click on the profile icon, which is the last and 5th icon on the row. So once you click on it, the profile page will be displayed on your screen, and the first thing you're going to see at the top left corner of your screen is the round circle showing you your name and your last name. Then you can also see the tokens, credits, and you can see options to invite friends, enter promo code, customer support, and so on. Now, to use Wolt customer loyalty program, all you need to do is to click on customer support. Customer support is just after enter promo code. So once you click on it, then you wait for a page to load. You see that I've started conversation with some people already on this customer support. So here you'll be directed to a Wolt virtual agent who is going to attend to your questions and your complaints and so on. So you can just click on it and you can continue a conversation with any of them. But if you've not had any conversation with any virtual agent before, you see the icon start a conversation or send us a message. So you click on that icon and you'll be directed to a virtual agent on Wolt. So here is where at the lower part of your screen you would see write a reply or send a message or start a conversation. So you click on it for you to type in or write in your reply. So you type in how to use Wolt customer loyalty programs. So once you've typed it in, you see that you see the arrow option at the right side of your screen. That is the enter option. That's for you to send your message. So you click on it, you send your message, and your message will be delivered to the virtual agent, and you wait patiently for it to be seen, because it's saying my message has not been seen yet by my virtual agent over there that's involved. So you wait for it to. Now I've gotten a response, and it has been they've told me how to do it. So when you're on this virtual support system, all you need to do is to wait patiently for you to get your response. So once you get your response, you read it carefully and follow the instructions that is on your screen. Here say you can get Wolt Plus, which means free delivery from many restaurants. You can see everything on the app, and if you're interested, you can buy Wolt Plus. So now it shows that you have to buy Wolt Plus for you to get free delivery from many restaurants, since you want to use Wolt customer loyalty programs. So just ensure that you read the instructions carefully and you follow the instructions. So it's that simple, and you can try it out too. So this is simply how to use Wolt customer loyalty programs. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.